Deepak Patania and you're watching The Art of Science. For today's video, I was thinking that we'll do a demo of how to use a fire extinguisher. And this is a fire extinguisher that we had in the office. But what has happened is that, first let me just show you. And when I press it, this will come on your face, but nothing happens because this is what happened. What we realize is that the pressure here, there's a pressure gauge, and the pressure here says 0 now, which we didn't realize. And this fire extinguisher is around, it's almost 1 year old, more than a year old, and we didn't realize that it's been a year since we bought it, and the pressure has totally died. So now this has become a part 1 of a video. Now what we are going to do is send it for what is called charging. So they will again recharge the fire extinguisher, and it will be full, and it will be full of pressure, and then we can show you the actual demo of how it works. So now this has become part 1, where this video can be helpful for everybody to know that a fire extinguisher needs to be charged every year. So for this video, this video can be helpful from a point of view that make sure your fire extinguishers are charged, and in case you ever have to use it, how to use it, that you will watch once we get this back from charging. And that will be video number 2. So depending on in a day or 2 days, whenever they give it back, we'll show you how to use it.